Want to play a one card game again?
Yeah, so.
One card Uno extravaganza. Your turn.
This is the beginning of chaos. Also, Uno.
Pick up two and miss a turn. Uno. Your turn.
Oh wait, actually I picked up green. I put that back.
Okay, your turn.
Oh my. I'm just gonna. I'm just gonna put this here. I gotta make a blue.
I got a blue. Uno.
So you don't have a blue. I'm
You
making a
turkey.
green.
One,
Also Uno.
2, 3, 4. Your turn.
Go.
Hey now, Carl the Madman here. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. Just out here in the shop. I think I'm going to tear this corner apart. I think that's might be where I want my toolbox to live, right in that corner. I think that's the plan. Oh, the stink bugs are back. Cedar bugs. Check these ugly little critters out. Out you go, stinky bug. Well, it's slowly, piece by piece, coming together. Hey, if any of you have any motorcycle license plates you want to get rid of from your state, country, province, region, wherever, I'd love to have one for the shop. Send it my way. Well, Skatie's Vlogs made it back home. That's my lovely daughter, Caitlin, of course, and her mom. Thank you, Caitlin, for 2 days of vlogging from the big city. Hope you all enjoyed that. I'm going to head into the house now and make something to eat, and I think I'll come back out here a little later tonight and maybe start putting stuff in the toolbox. Okay, made her back out to the shop here. Had a couple chicken wings. Yeah, nummy chicken wings. Chicken wings, yeah, nummy chicken wings. Well, I think to start, I'm gonna organize my sockets. I'm gonna have one drawer of standard and one drawer of metric. That's what I'm gonna try for. Wish me luck. All right, well, I think I've accomplished enough out here for one day, so I think that's it. I want to thank you all for joining me on my adventures. There's Tenley and Kaylin. Tenley, Kaylin. Yeah, thank you for joining me here on this vlogging adventure. And yeah, as always, have a great day. Hey.